Yeah, we're driving around today and I figured we'd stop in. We found this cute little place over in Hudson, Florida. Yeah, check this out. Now, check this out. Got some nice outdoor seating. Route 66 Diner out on Route 19 in Hudson, Florida. That's a cute little place. I guess they're famous for their Patriot Burger. That's a nice little place. Small, it's real small. Let's check this out, huh? We're gonna come in, we're gonna go eat. Let's get some cheesesteaks and some French dip. Let's go inside, check it out, shall we? Oh, check this out. Nice atmosphere, huh? Just only a couple booths, bar. Just ordered a French dip. Well, let's see what that's like when the food comes out. Check it out. Oh, that French dip sandwich looks really good. Can't wait to dig into that. Boy. Oh my God, this is so good. French dip. Dip it. Oh, so good. If you're in the area, come in, check this out. Get the French dip. It's amazing. Alright, man, I'm gonna tell you what. If you're in the area in Hudson, Florida, traveling on Route 19, you gotta stop at the Route 66 Diner. That food was simply amazing. I'm coming back. I'm gonna come back in a couple days. I gotta try their hamburgers. You know, I travel all over the country, and that food in that little joint was amazing. All right. Hey, thanks for watching. See you on the next video.